So, appointment of directors by members. The subsequent directors in the case of public limited company are appointed by the members in the general meeting. So, these two words by the members in the general meeting, it means indicate that is the power in the hands of members to elect and remove the directors. Section 152 provides that unless the article provide for the retirement of all directors at every annual general meeting, at least 2/3 directors of the total number of directors of a public limited company shall be persons who shall be subject to retirement by rotation. So, retirement by rotation is applicable as per section 152 and must be appointed by the company in general meeting. So, that clearly indicate that this power in the hands of members to appoint and remove the directors. The remaining director in case of any such company and the directors of private company may be appointed in accordance with the provision of the company's article. So, company's article of association is that document who define how we govern the internal relation. Appointment and removal or election or removal of directors basically deals by this document, governed by this document. In the absence of any such provision in the article or in case of default, in so appointing directors, these directors shall also be appointed by the company in general meeting. So, again and again each and every provision in the favor that directors are appointed in general meeting, directors are appointed by members.